Imagine if some dookie got in your eye.
I'm fucking freak.
Alright, well, let's see. Keep that shit up. No, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. You'll be alright.
Buzz,
Dude, heat it up.
stop talking about it.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, boy. That's the cockasucker right there.
Oh, here it comes.
My Duke.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Dude, there's no time to throw up right now. Work through it. Work through it. Dude, bro, work through it. You got this. What do you think's in that pipe, dude? What do you think's in the pipe? what do you think's in the pipe, though?
What do you think's in it? What do you think that fucking just
Oh
pulled out of there?
my god. There's dookies just sitting on the floor. There's dookies sitting on the floor of my fucking basement. There's just dookies on the floor. We don't even know whose they are.
Shut the fuck up.